Imagine a colossal machine weighing over 500,000 pounds, effortlessly lifting off the ground. How does it happen? The answer lies in the marvel of jet engines. Jet engines propel airplanes forward with immense force, creating tremendous thrust that allows them to soar through the skies at incredible speeds. All jet engines, also known as gas turbines, operate on the same fundamental principle. They suck in air at the front with a powerful fan. A compressor then raises the air pressure, spinning at high speeds to compress the air, preparing it for the next stage. Fuel is sprayed into the compressed air, and an electric spark ignites the mixture, causing a powerful explosion of gases. These burning gases expand and blast out through the nozzle at the back of the engine, propelling the aircraft forward. As the hot air moves towards the nozzle, it passes through a turbine which is connected to the same shaft as the compressor, keeping the cycle in motion. Thrust is the forward force that pushes the engine and the airplane forward, a concept discovered by Sir Isaac Newton's third law of motion. The fan, the first component in a turbofan engine, sucks in large quantities of air, splitting it into two parts for different purposes. The compressor squeezes the air into progressively smaller areas, increasing its pressure and energy potential before it enters the combustion chamber. In the combustor, the air is mixed with fuel and ignited, producing high-temperature, high-energy airflow that powers the turbine. The turbine blades rotate, driven by the high-energy airflow, and are linked to the compressor and intake fan, maintaining the engine's operation. The nozzle, the exhaust duct of the engine, produces the thrust that propels the airplane forward by expelling a combination of hot and cold air. The history of jet engines dates back to Sir Isaac Newton's theory in the 18th century, which laid the foundation for modern jet propulsion. Early attempts at flight with steam engines were unsuccessful due to their excessive weight, but they paved the way for future innovations. The Wright brothers' successful flight in 1903 with a gas-powered engine marked a significant milestone in aviation history. Frank Whittle's design and patent of the first turbojet engine in 1930 revolutionized air travel, leading to the first successful flight in 1941. Different types of jet engines, such as turbojets, turboprops, turbofans, turboshafts, and ramjets, each have unique characteristics and applications. Turbojets compress air, mix it with fuel, and ignite it to produce thrust, while turboprops use a propeller driven by the turbine. And turbofans have a large fan at the front, providing more thrust at low speeds and making them ideal for modern airliners. From the simplicity of ramjets to the complexity of turbofans, jet engines continue to evolve, pushing the boundaries of what is possible in aviation. Keep exploring the skies with us.